Smelly house with no flies, no mosquitoes, and almost no money spent? A hotel owner taught me this trick, and today I'm going to show it to you. To do this, you'll need a lemon, any lemon you have at home. First, cut the lemon in half, just like I'm doing. Then, in one of the halves of the lemon, make a small hole right in the middle, then open it up a little with your finger. We're going to do this because we're going to put a small piece of candle in there. Take the candle and cut it to about the same size. Then just put it in the hole. Once you've done that, you'll now need cloves. Place the cloves around the lemon, just like I'm doing. As well as smelling wonderful, cloves will also help scare away insects. Now do the same thing with the other half of the lemon. This tip is simply wonderful. Once you've done it at home, I'm sure you'll want to do it again and again. Now pay attention because this part is very important. We're going to need these sticks. Cut them all to the same size. Then place them in this part of the lemon, trying to make it as straight as possible. Once you've done that, just place the other half of the lemon on top. And finally, just light it. And with just this tip, you'll scare away all the flies and mosquitoes in your house. And what's more, it will leave a wonderful smell. After I learned, I never used repellent again. I just love this idea. So that's it. Do it at home too. I'm sure you'll love it. Hugs and see you in the next video.